Dear student, welcome to the first experiment, that is the fitting experiment. So already we have discussed what are the required tool in fitting experiment. So today we will be doing the fitting experiment, and for that we need our workpiece that is made up of mild steel. Okay, so we have to first mark by a scriber. So we have applied some white chalk over it and then mark with a scriber, and then we have to fit this mild steel specimen in this vise. This is known as Vance vise. So first we have to untighten both the jaws by rotating this lever anti-clockwise. Okay, now we can see once we place our jaw, we have to tighten the vise by rotating clockwise. Okay, now we have to see that it will be placed properly horizontal position. And now first we have to use a rough file. Okay, so see, both the files are there. So this is smooth file and this is little bit rough file. Both the files are actually double cut. Okay, both the files, you can see the cut. This is one side cut, this is another side cut. So both are double cut file. Okay, so first grip this handle, and first we have to do cross filing. That means we want to remove more amount of material. So we have to do filing like this. So we have to apply pressure in the forward stroke. Basic machine fundamental. So you can see, as I am applying force, this file actually removing the excess material from our workpiece, and we are getting a metallic luster. You can see the inner surface is being exposed. Okay, now if you see very closely, you can see, as I have used this kind of rough file, a rough impression is all over the surface. So how to eliminate that rough impression or the roughness? We have to use this smooth file for that. Okay, very slowly we have to do this filing, and first we will be doing the cross filing, and then we have to do the draw filing. That means simply we have to pull and push the file in this direction. So this is known as draw filing. When we want to have a greater surface finish, okay, that means maximum amount of material has been removed by the cross filing with the help of that rough file. Then with this smooth file, we will be doing this draw filing to get a very good surface finish. Okay, likewise we will be getting a very good surface finish. So you can see all the roughness, though here you are having a little bit of roughness, but here most of the roughness has been eliminated. So similarly we have to repeat this position. Okay, then we will be getting the final shape